What's up, TJ Squad? It's your girl Treasure in the back. What's good, guys? With another video. So today, I'm here with a video where I'm going to be fixing all my slimes because they are like, I don't know, they're just ugly. Not ugly, but like they're stiff and stuff. So yeah. So first, we're gonna start off with the ugliest one, which is the brown one. It looks like it's red on camera, with blue things on it, blue clay, but the clay is terrible. So yeah, I used the Rainbow Model Magic clay. So don't go get that. No. So this is how it looks, but we're gonna add some of this scent to it. It says can't touch me. So y'all. Okay. And now we're gonna mix it in. This is very strong. So don't put that much like I did. So I'm gonna zoom in on one of the clay pieces. You see that right there? Yeah, that's a clay piece, like right there. Okay. There's another big clay piece. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna add some of this to it. So I'm not sure what kind of lotion this is, but I'll see you once I put it in. Alright guys, here is some of the lotion. I didn't even mix it in yet. So yeah. This is how I always apply lotion to my slimes. I just play with it like this, and that actually looks, it just feels weird. Comment down below if you want me to do a whole video of fixing this slime. Oh my god, look at that. Comment down below if you want me to do a whole video fixing this slime, because I could dye it pink, then I could get all the clay chunks out, and I can dye. Then I could put a lot of lotion in it, because this is actually helping. And also lotion and glue helps slime like really good. So yes. And also oh yeah, also I have 2 other slimes, so let's just get on to the next slime. Next one is this this green foam slime. Look at the foam beads, like they look crazy. So yeah, we're gonna set the camera right here. No. Okay, so let's take it out of the container, and here's the top. It says foam slime, and it has my name on it. Alright, let's put that down there. This really doesn't need no help, I don't think. Like, this is some good slime. But for this slime, we're gonna also add some of the same scent that I put into this slime. So yeah, can't touch me. I'll need to for this one, because I don't want to put it so strong like I did the other one. So yes, this is so pretty. It used to be like a tealish, not teal, like a blue teal color, but it just had lotion in it, so it gets lighter and lighter. And yeah, so oh, did you hear that? That sound really there's really nothing to be fixed in this slime, but I love this slime so much, so shout out to, oh, I see a blue piece right there. Okay, so there's a piece of clay in here, right there, that actually mixed into the green. Focus. It's not focusing, but we're gonna put this back into the container because that slime really didn't need help, so here we go. Next. Okay guys, so for this slime, this is cotton candy slime, and the container is broken, and I just took the top off. This is really hard, so this is my favorite slime too. So we need some help. We're gonna add some lotion. Some lotion and some lotion. Just keep adding. You can add how much lotion you want. So since this slime is cotton candy, we're gonna add some of this cotton candy perfume, which is it smells really good. I love it. But before we add that, we're gonna mix in all the lotion, the lotion that I just added in. And before I was doing this video, I tried to put glue in it, like glue sticks. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, that was just a stupid idea to put glue sticks in here. This slime was like so good. So for this one, I think we're going to have to I don't know with it. I may have to throw it away because this slime is like not one as good, but we'll stick to it. So next we're gonna put the cotton candy perfume inside, which is not one. I only have one hand right now because I'm holding the camera. Okay, so just mixing it, and this was way better than before. I can tell you that right now, but I need some of my drink. Okay, so I want you guys to poke it and see what you think. Is it hard or soft? Comment down below. Okay. I think it's pretty hard. But yeah, so we might do another video of fixing my slimes because I cannot get this one to fix. But all this one needed was a little tiny bit of lotion. This one needed some lotion, so all of them need some lotion, but this one's really not that stiff. And then the container lost its top, so that's how it's hard like this now. But I'm gonna try to fix it while you guys are watching this video. So I'm gonna try to, and I'll tell you guys if I can fix it or not. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below which videos you're gonna see from me, and I love you guys so much. Bye.